I'll install the Amazon Connect application now. So it is the latest version, 2.0.3, and it was released on Jan 16, 2025, and this is the link that you can directly download. I'll provide this link in description as well, so that you can directly download it. So we have some workstation requirements. So minimum CPU is 2.0 gigahertz. So 4 cores or 4 virtual CPU recommended, and memory would be 2.5 GB. Network should be 600 kbps, but I would suggest go for some Mbps network. And the supported operating system is going to be the 64-bit Windows 10 and 11 based on the x86 and 64 architecture. Feature specification, so number of open application that can be recorded, and port needed is 5431 for WebSocket, and the URL that you need to whitelist is something that's 3-bucket and your contact center URL at the firewall level. But I would suggest go for my network configuration that I already told you. Just follow that entire list, entire checklist, and make sure that you are allowing all those URLs at the firewall and any other security layer level. So for now, I already have downloaded this application. If you want, you can download it. This is the application. You can see 2.0.3, that zip file. So let's double click on this application. And here you need to provide your contact center URLs. So it might be possible you have some dependency with multiple contact center URLs. So for that, you need to use the comma to separate each and every contact center URL. So let me just go and copy my contact center URL. And if you want to add more URLs, definitely you need to use the comma. We do not need that HTTP, so we can remove that. And add comma, and if you have more contact center URL, that you can add as well. So I only have one, so I will go and select install. And here you can see that I have installed my application 2.0.3 for Amazon Connect client service. Just keep in mind, if you already have the older version of the Amazon Connect client service, so don't worry, you can just directly install top of that, and it will not affect anything, and it will directly install the latest version as well. Okay, so let's go back to our contact center contact flow. And here I already have enabled the screen recording. You can see here. So let's go and do a test call.
Training Academy. Press 1 for IT training, press 2 for insurance.
Okay, I got the call. Give me for some 10 seconds. Okay, so now let's go and validate the call. And let me just go for the agent interaction, and you can see here that screen got recorded and it is getting loaded. And here you can find that my both of the screen got recorded. The left side one is my laptop and the right side one is my monitor. And in this way you can configure the screen recording, or you can install your you can install the latest version of the screen capture application from Amazon Connect. And let me know if you have any question in comment box. Thank you.